Want to add a slick white line transition to your TikTok videos using CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to create a smooth white line transition for your TikTok videos using CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Import your video clips into the project. Tap on the Overlay button and select the Add Overlay. Then click on the library and go to the background. Now select the white image and tap on Add. Zoom in the overlay image and make it full screen. Tap on the mask. Then tap on the mirror. You can adjust it by clicking it once again. Next, go to the feather option and adjust it according to your preference. Tap on the down arrow. After that, tap on the tick mark to confirm. Now position the overlay in the middle of the two videos. Select the overlay and place the keyframe at the front of the overlay image. Move this keyframe all the way to the left. Then add another keyframe at the end of the overlay image and move it all the way to the right. Now preview the video. By following these steps, you can easily add white line transition in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.